Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting nail glue. Achieving a perfect, durable manicure often depends on the quality of your nail adhesive. Store-bought glues can sometimes be expensive or not as strong as you need. Today, we'll walk through a simple, effective method to create your own robust nail glue right at home, ensuring your beautiful nails stay put for much longer. Let's get started. To begin, gather a few key items. First, you'll need a bottle of clear nail polish. This will serve as the primary base for your glue. Next, find a small, clean container for mixing, like a tiny dish or an old nail polish bottle. You'll also need a small stirring stick, perhaps a toothpick. Finally, have a strong, quick-drying adhesive or some fine acrylic powder on hand to enhance durability. These simple items are all you need. Now, let's mix your custom glue. Start by pouring about 2 teaspoons of clear nail polish into your clean mixing container. Next, carefully add approximately 1/2 teaspoon of your strong adhesive or fine acrylic powder. The exact ratio can be adjusted slightly for desired consistency. Stir the ingredients together very well, ensuring there are no lumps and the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. This thorough mixing is crucial for a consistent, strong bond. For best results, apply a thin, even layer of your freshly made glue to your natural nail. Then, carefully place the artificial nail on top, pressing down firmly for about 10 to 15 seconds to ensure a strong bond. After use, store any remaining glue in an airtight container, like a small, sealed jar or the original nail polish bottle, to prevent it from drying out. This will keep your homemade glue fresh and ready for your next beautiful manicure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.